Peirwch judgeio fi, ond dwi heb fod am smear test fi eto. Dwi wedi clywed llawer o horror stories, ond heddi dwi'n mynd i debunkio'r myths na, a siwt gwell na i wneud e ar gamera i chi. Felly, dewch dy fi am smear.
Okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine.
Happy?
I'm happy. Oh my god, you're going to see my fanny now.
No, I can't yet. I can't yet. So heels towards your bottom.
Sy'n agor fy goesau nawr.
Yeah, so nice and relaxed, Ceri, if you can. I know. This is the worst part, I think, isn't it? So it may feel a little bit dry, okay, but it will pass.
Okay. Oh.
So the speculum is in.
Okay.
All right. I'm just opening the speculum. Just getting my brush. Okay. And we're just going in. Okay.
Yeah. Maen nhw mewn nawr. Ma' hwnna'n iawn, actually.
And then we just got to leave the speculum in. I'm going to wash the brush and then we're done.
Really?
Yeah.
Just like that?
You can say it should never be painful. Can
No,
be
it's not. It
uncomfortable.
actually, yeah, a bit uncomfortable. Okay, we're done.
We're done.
Oedd hwnna literally fel 2 munud.